Yo, I wasn't supposed to show this. Just ignore everything that you saw. We are gonna do some more lead code. I'm doing shit. I'm just doing shit on lead code. So, yeah, that's that, bro. And I've solved this question already. Is it? I didn't refresh it. Never mind. Yikes. Let's have a look. Okay, it's the same question with double the difficulty. That's nice. Good. I forgot how I solved it yesterday, bro. Like, literally forgot how I solved it yesterday. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. We divided them into components. Uh, okay, I need to find the minimum distance now. The previous question just asked whether they are reachable or not. Now you have to find the minimum distance as well. Yeah. I think this would require a DSU. Never mind. Sorting two pointers binary lifting. Jesus. Ah. Let's have a look at this. Nodes can be connected if their value difference is less than equal to max diff. After sorting by value, connected components form continuous segments. For each query, we need the minimum number of jumps between segments to reach node A on a sorted windowed structure. Binary lifting. I don't get it. I don't get binary lifting. What do you mean by this? The fuck? The fuck? The fuck? The fuck? What do you mean? The fuck? The fuck? Shrapnel. I need to find. I need to. I'm gonna die someday. Oh, okay. They put new nums and then they sorted new nums, which is something I did yesterday. And then they did get I nums I dot second equals I. This is a weird fucking thing to do, honestly. Like, what do you mean? I don't know. Anyways, then you do st. Sort the nodes by value, recording the original indices, map original indices to the sorted position. Sliding window, unsorted array. For each I, find the farthest are reachable where no consecutive gap and total spread less than equal to. Store this as STI0, binary lifting, STIJ, farthest index reachable from I in 2 raised to j jumps. Convert both endpoints to sorted positions, binary. Holy. There's so much stuff in this code, bro. For each I, find the farthest are reachable when no consecutive gap and total spread both stay less than equal to max diff. The total spread and then build STIJ. Holy. I don't get this question honestly. What is ST segment tree? No, ST is the binary left. Uh, got it. This is the 2 pointer, and then what you do is STI 0 of equals R, which means this guy is saying that you can reach there in one hop. Right? This is your ancestor. Um, Binary lifting only works on trees, by the way, not on graphs. And you're doing it on graphs, so that doesn't make sense to me. But anyways, then we add all of these, then we do a binary lift, and then we find the Ansler Binsler Bone slot. Okay. From A we get the new get I, and B we get the new get I, and then Yup. I'm on top of your gambling. Got everything you need. Thing like you need it, just like you need it. Continuemos que no tú sabes, como tú sabes. If that is lesser than B, then you need to jump to the next bunkload. You need to jump the core, and then you have to do steps plus 1. Yep, उतने स्टेप्स लेने पड़ेंगे. I'm on top of your game, got everything you need, nothing like you need it, just like you need it. Continuemos te tú sabes, tú sabes. You get the idea for this question, right? The idea for this question is simply just using that. You sort them, sorting is normal, then you do a 2-pointer to get the farthest element reachable from one particular element, and you keep doing it for every single one of them. And then what you do is you mark that as the next ancestor, ancestor, and then you do a binary lift sort of to see how many steps will it take to reach there. And this is not a nice way of doing it, honestly, but yeah, well whatever. Yeah. Yelp Kishner. I get this question now. I'll just copy and paste it over here because yeah, I'm lazy. Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. And lately I've been playing hard, so no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Why have we done steps plus 1, bro? I have no fucking clue, bro. I have no fucking clue, bro. Yike. Let me think. Has he given this shit? Um, binary left from smaller just to reach just before larger. Check if one more jump covers it. If the st of cur 0b is greater than or equal to b, then we do steps 1. Oh, we will live in our dreams. On the top of the game, we got everything you need. Nothing like you need it, just like you need it. Vale, contigo no te vale, pero tú sabes, pero tú sabes. Sung 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 sahur. Chung 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 sahur. Alright. I'm just a piece of dink, bro. Like, I need to start with 407. Let's start with 410. Snap. It's a long way. Okay. How do I go back, bro? There we go. Okay. 410. Alright. Let's solve. I'm slipping. Okay. I'm gonna solve these two. And if you have time, I'll solve this one as well. Alright. There's an undirected tree with n nodes labeled 0 to n minus 1 and rooted at node 0. You are given the 2D integer array edges. Indicates that there is an edge between nodes ai and bi in the tree. A node is good if all the subtrees rooted at its children have the same size. Fa, I guess. Alright. Boride. So we just make a graph, gang. Like, n equals edges dot size plus 1, and then we go n, and then we do for auto edge in edges. Push back. And then the same thing the other way around. Cool. Now we have that. Then we do a DFS from 0, and we initialize it outside so that each one of these guys has access to it, and then we just do adj dot resize, and we remove this from here. Then we also pass the parent and we do a return over here. Then we just do an int dfs int u int v. For LARP 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 sahur. Um, I'm in my dreams. I'm on top of your game. Need out everything you need. Nothing like you need it. Just like you need it. Continuamos to Alright, I need to solve this somehow. I have no fucking clue. Okay. I need to check all of its roots, all of its children, that they have the same number of sizes. So, for auto C in adjacent CU, if, and I'll create a set int here, yeah, S, if C not equal to E, int size equals DFS CU, and S dot insert SZ. Got it. God is good. God is great. Return if S dot size equals 0 or I also need one more vector bint size, because this guy Nasgi good nodes int answer equals 0, answer plus equals all the good nodes below it, and set int s negation s dot insert size of C. Lead it, got everything you needed. Malinga like you need it, just like you need it. Continue motivar, temo tu saber. SZ of C. You from the day you were born, you in his face, corazón, understand, too strong, la da, Nico, da da, let's go, da da, Nico, da da, let's go, tin 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 tin. Actually, I prefer this. Prefer. If s dot size equals 0, or s dot size, if s dot size less than equal to 1, we return answer plus 1. Otherwise we return answer. Let's run this bitch. Ooh, clean. Clean-ish. Alright. Nice. The count of monotonic pairs. You're given an array of positive integers. We call a pair of non-negative integer arrays monotonic if the length of both arrays is equal to n, and R1 is monotonically non-decreasing. In other words, it's like increasing, and R2 is monotonically non-increasing. So these are like flipped up. Yeah. And then I need to do something. Return the number of monotonic pairs. We call a pair of non-negative integer arrays monotonic. Non-negative integer arrays monotonic. Return the number of monotonic pairs. The fuck do you mean? The fuck? The good pairs are the fuck? What does this have to do with this? Like, doesn't make any sense at all. Literally, bro, literally. Oh, you need R1 plus R2 equals nums I. Okay. Got it. Got it. Num's length is 2000 and num's I is very small, by the way. So this is good. It's good. So lorp, sahur. The number of things, right? So as soon as I see count, my brain goes to DP. Alright? It's DP, bro. Let me think of the state. Let me think of the last state. DP I, where I denotes how much of the nums I have I seen until now. So how much of the nums is left to be seen yet, right? It will give you how many of the remaining part you can LARP it. Yeah? Like, for instance, like we start from 2, right? So 2 can only have 1 1, or it can have 2 0, or it can have 0 2 as well, I guess. I'm so fucking hungry, I swear to God. Far. Yep. If you only have 1, there'll be 3 options. Kylian Nectador, Kylian Mbappe, Kylian Nectador. That's number 1. Number 2, number Y is the Kylian Nectador. If you're feeling it from the back, right, you need the latest guy in this pitch and the latest guy in this pitch, and those need to be stored in a state. Yes, queen. Clock it. So, Noom's length, I will go 2000 into fucking 50 into fucking 50. This is good, bro. How much is that? 2 into 5. Not really. 25 into 2. Into 1, 2, and then 3. So that's 10 raised to 5. And this goes to 5 into 10 raised to 6. which is in our fucking thing. So J and K. I guess this is how we'll solve it. Where J is the smallest element in R1. K is the biggest element in R2. Suffix in suffix R1. Okay? DP state contains Trillions Mbappe, Rupizu Mbappe, count of slup, where J and K are the first of the suffix elements. Count of arrays, pairs. We would then return sum over all J and K of dp 0 jk. This would be the answer. Now let's start writing the code. We create a vector lorp sahur. The size is nums.size, obviously, and J and K is 50, bro. Just take it 50, bro. Like, just fuck it, bro. Vector of int, not really, it's a vector of int. My fucking hands. Alright. Okay. Now I need to define the base case and the update. Alright, so the update will be dp of I jk will be Lewandowski. That J plus K should be equal to numzi, and end. If this is not the case, then we cannot have this. Then we'll put a 0 over there. We'll put a 0. If this is the case, then we just have a look at sum over 0 to J minus 1, 0 to J, and sum over K plus 1, right? Alright, K plus 1 to 50 of dp n plus 1 would do it pick here, AB. Alright, yep, this is the update. Alright, this looks good, bro. And then the base case is a little bit tricky, guys. dpm minus 1 jk equals 1 if j plus k equals nums and minus 1 L0. This is the base case, boys. This is the base case, and we're done. That's it. That's fucking it. The time complexity for this bitch would be obviously 2000 into 50 into 50 to fill all those fuckers. And then on top of it, for these bitches, we're doing a double sum. Which is tough. That's tough. That's tough, bro. Might exceed the fucking limit. We might have to do some shit like a prefix sum of stuff. But let's just run it back. dpm minus 1 for int I equals 0, I less than equal to 50, I plus plus. For in that case, we'll need 51 in both the cases. We'll need 51. And then for int fucking j equals 0, j fucking less than equal to 50, and j plus plus. If the fucker dp m minus 1 I and j equals to I plus j equal to nums n minus 1. That's it. This is the base case, boys. And then int I equals n minus 2, I greater than equal to 0, I plus plus. For int j equals 0, j less than equal to 50, j plus plus. For int k equals 0, k less than 50, k plus plus. Alright, the dp. Before we even like do that. Alright. So we're saying that at position I, we are placing this bitch. So there's a big mistake here. Alright, I fixed that. Now, yep, for larp. So for a equals 0, I guess this is gonna fuck up the time complexity, bruv. Yep, bruv. That's just a less than equal to 50, a plus plus. No, not really. If j plus k equals nums I, then we'll do for int a equals larp. J has to be smaller, so 0. No, manapi nahi. Ji manapi nahi. Ji manapi nahi. Anji manu पिला दी गई जो भी है सही है. Now this guy is larper. K greater than equal to 0. No, K, no, B greater than equal to 0, and then B minus. Turn this TV off. Actually, you know what? Let's just stick to, yeah. And then dp. No. dp of I, and then a j, and then a k plus equals a fucking dp of n I plus 1 AB. Yep, and then over here we do a return int larp percent mod. Yep, and then I'll optimize it for int j equals 0, j less than equal to 50, j plus plus. Answer equals answer plus dp of 0, I and j. And then we will do a percent mod here, and then we'll return the answer, and then we'll define an int mod equals 1a9 plus 7. Let's run this bitch and see if it's working. The time complexity is a bitch fucking bad. Fuck. That closes this. That. Alright. This closes this guy. This closes this guy. This closes this guy. Alright. Got it. Vector int. Run this bitch. The fuck. I'm not losing my shit, bro. The fuck. Alright. What's wrong in this line? I'm losing my fucking mind, bro. I'm very fucking hungry. Getting this error. Turn the TV off. Turn the TV off. Got it. We got everything you needed. Like you need it. Just like you need it. Ora continuiamo a trovare. Abbiamo tu sapere. He buffered overflow. No. The fuck? Paul Pogba. Naposhi Paul Pogba. If k is greater than 0, the loop never runs. If k equals 0, it becomes an infinite loop. Got it. ये होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Alright, turn this TV off, turn this TV off. The issue now is the time complexity for this bitch is too much. If I run this, it'll give me a TLE, I guess. Yep, it's gonna give me a TLE, yep. I knew that. Now what I need to do is I need to optimize this bitch. How do we optimize it? Hey, Nigesh. Alright, there are how many of LARPs? For vector int pref of size 51 and a vector int 51 and 0. Alright, and then we run it for. Alright, then what we do is pref I a b. I'm just thinking out loud, bro. Paul Pogba. Never ship Paul Pogba. Basically, what I want is for any A and B, I need the sum of all the previous A's and B's that have been there. Yep. How do I pre-compute that shit? Paul Pogba. Lapa ship on low. Paul Pogba. Ref AB. I guess this is the way, dude. I guess this is the way. And then what we do here, what we do here is we just we do dp of I j k is equal to prefix of jk, and that will store the whole answer slot. I am dp of a jk. The mesure, mademoiselle, this looks good. Yes, I think so. Let's try. Fuck. Fuck. What's wrong in my optimization? Fuck. Pref. Good. Good. Prefix. First compute prefix sums over B, then compute prefix sums over A. Oh, right. Now remember, I need to handle both of them separately. Alright. So first, boom! Kylian Mbappe, Lebushi Bazupi, Babushi, Wiltigo, Kylian Mbappe. Alright, I'm just gonna copy this shit for now because my brains is not brainsing right now, and I don't want to use my brain power on this shit. I'll understand what it does, and I'll prepare for the next time, but it's not now because I'm low on time. Yep. Does this work? Ah, yes, it does. Does it pass? I think so, it should pass. Fuck. Alright. Borad. And the Losimo Motimo Festival. So, Kylian and Mbappe. Else if J plus K is greater than Numzai, break. I think this is gonna speed up this stuff. It's gonna really speed up this stuff. What the fuck? Kylian Mbappe, Kylian Mbappe. It's creating this larper over and over. Maybe that's causing the issue. Pref dot vector assign 0. Does this work? I'll just set all LMs to 0 and fast. I can feel maybe pref. Please work. Fuck this. It's a small like turbo like Why is my code TLing? Oh, that's lovely. Paul Pogba. Paul Pogba. Okay. Come on, bro. Oh, nice. Nice, nigga. Yep, that was something I did not see coming. Alright. I think the same solution would be there as well. Hopefully. Hopefully. Let's run this bitch. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. No, it won't. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. It's 1000. It's gonna give a TLE. Will it? Fast! It gave a wrong answer. Fast! Freddy Fazbear. It's a DP state, right? It's a DP state. This game needs to be a long. Yep. Even the DP state needs to be a long. Let's see if this fucker works. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Don't you fucking beat it, fucking beat it. Don't you stop fucking, stop right up. It doesn't matter. Those dogs drop, so beat it, beat it, beat it. Just beat it, beat it. So beat it, beat it. Just to beat it, beat it. You never beat, you better do what you can. You wanna see the fucker be a macho man. You wanna be the feist, better do what you can. So beat it. And you wanna be the band, so beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Don't you fucking beat it, beat it. Don't you stop fucking, don't you stop. Right now, it doesn't matter. Those dogs drop. So beat it. Just beat it, beat it. So beat it. I don't think this is gonna work, but oh well. It's worth the fucking shot, bro. Blarp, blarp, blarp. One zero zero one. Kylian Mbappe, Limosina fucking Yavashina Postas, Kylian Mbappe. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Yep, this is gonna give me a TLE. Let's see how to solve that. That's all for today. See you all tomorrow.